Okay, parents, with the addition of Cyber Days, we are utilizing our renweb utility much more than ever before for you to be able to not only find your child's homework, but their Cyber Day assignments. So without further delay, let me take you into how you should be doing this. We will once again start with going to the blue screen and clicking on renweb. Since I'm not a parent here, I'm going to use the super parent as my login, so we'll see what happens here. My district code is SJW-WV, and my username is R.FUSCARDO. That's the super parent here, and she actually has a password. And she's a parent, so we will use her son Reno as our example second grader. Alright, when she logs in, this is what she sees. First thing you're going to do is we're going to go to student information. Alright, at this particular student information page, we see that we are using Reno. If you have multiple children, there will be selections. We can see homework by date, by subject, and lesson plans. Okay, I have put in an example piece of homework for the 17th, which was our Cyber Day. This really wasn't there on the 17th, but I did add it for this example. So if I slide down through, on Wednesday Computers, I have example document. All right. That's our homework that we're going to be doing. That's by homework. We can look at it by subject, and we can look at computers, and it's my example document. This is a trial assignment, is what I'm telling you. This is just so I can give you something to look at. And also, we can see it in lesson plans. You can go through all the lesson plans, and somewhere here will be the computers. And we'll see if we can find, there it is. And here is my lesson plan. Watch the following link, renweb homework video, then open the following document, example document. This is actually what we want done, what I want done on Cyber Day, had I actually put a assignment out. Now we can look at it this way, which gives us a very small window, or we can actually go over here and look at it in lesson plans, which gives us a bigger window, which allows us to read if some teachers put in their questions right into the document themselves without uploading a document right into the lesson plan itself. Or we can go to computers here, and we can open, let's where computers. Let's open this video. Okay, parents, with the advent of Cyber Days, we are utilizing our renweb. Okay, that should be enough of that. I'm going to close down that video. All right, and we are going to open our example document. This is my example document. Okay. So that is, I can see it there is in docs, or I can see it here as a PDF file, and you can get it right here. This is my example document. I have suggested to the teachers that they always just use PDFs, and you see why. The PDF file opens right up in renweb, and you can download it or print it if you want to, where the docs file opens up in Google Docs, or it may open up in Word, depending upon the machine you're using, but it's probably a lot easier if we just use PDFs. So let's get rid of that, and we can go by subject, and we can pick the proper subject right here. whichever one you're using. In my case, it's going to be computers. And there it is again. Watch the following video and then open the document. And here's the document again. So these are ways that we can upload documents, but they have to be done in the lesson plan. For us to actually upload a document into the homework, we have to give you a link. So it's doable, but it's a lot easier for the teacher to do it in one place. So whenever you're checking your students' homework, check the homework and the lesson plan. And then you will be able to cover everything that's there. We've suggested to the teachers to only have to put it in one place and say, see the other. Like put it in homework and say, see lesson plan. Or put it in lesson plan and say, see homework. But I expect it to be the other way around. So this should be able to have you reach anything that we ask the teachers to ask the students to do on a Cyber Day. Now remember that Cyber Day is not homework. It is a full day of school, and it allows us to not have to make that day up because we assigned a full day's worth of work for your child. So pay attention to that, and if you have any problems at all, please contact me, k.james@WeartonStJoseph.net, or call the school, 304-670-3270, and I'll walk you through whatever you need to get you going. One thing I might want to add, if you are trying to do this from an iPhone or iPad, it's going to be a little different. You cannot use the renweb app to do this. You're going to have to, on an iPad, you're going to have to go to the blue screen, as I did in the beginning of this, by opening up the browser, which will probably be a Safari, or you could have Chrome installed, depending upon your iPad. But on the iPhone, there's no way to do the download that I'm aware of at this point in time. But things are always changing, and we're trying to keep on top of it. So with a phone, you're going to have some trouble. With an iPad, use Safari, go to WeartonStJoseph.net, the blue screen, and start from there. And with any computer or Chromebook, go to WeartonStJoseph.net and start from there. Once again, if you have any problems whatsoever, please contact me. We want you to be able to do this. Thank you.